Hey guys, welcome back to my art channel. So my name is Anthony Regala. I'm a 5th year architecture student. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little reaction video of all my plates in Graphics 1. So this will actually be a series wherein I react to all my plates no first year until second year. So that is Graphics 1, Graphics 2, MVT 1, Manual Visual Technique 1, 2, and 3. I'll be showing you my plates in Architectural Design, HOA, and TOA. If you're interested in those type of content, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post new vlogs, architecture content, shopping haul videos, architecture vlog, day in the life, week in the life, and other content like that. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, so I actually made a previous video showing the graphics plate reveal part 1. So if you haven't watched that, then I suggest you check that out first before watching this one. And for these plates naman I'm gonna show you, it's my favorite plates actually sa Graphics 1 because I was part of the top 5 na pinamodel yung plate for the lower years. Ganun. Kasi it was a good example. Ganun. Slay! Slay! Ito yung na-task sa amin gawin. This was the 3-bedroom bungalow floor plan as you can see here. And as you can see, 99 ako. 99 here. This is where you parang mag-work yung design mo sa sarili mo because it's your job to decorate yung mga floor plan mo. I actually parang nag-over the top pa nga ako kasi I have tiles, I have carpet finish, I have wood flooring, I have yung Porsche na may finish din, tapos may paving pa ako sa labas, tapos may mga bush pa ako, may trees here. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa plate na to kasi you were allowed to like freely express your creative juices. Kasi sa last plates kasi, it's very technical, it's very like objective, wherein here naman, it's still objective pero you're allowed to be more expressive sa design mo. So, hindi lahat ng plates na ganito is the same kasi we have different furniture, we have different parang finishes, we have different designs. Dito ako nag-shine kasi you were allowed to do all that. I got 99 because of yung extra-ness na nilagay ko. So, if you wanna have a good grade then it's also nice to be like extra. Pero you also have to know when you should be extra compared to when you shouldn't be extra. Para di ka na ma-minus. So, this next one naman is yung site development plan of the floor plan na you made. So, yung mga next plates kasi na I have, interconnected siya to one another kasi bahay na to. If you notice, I jumped through some plates kasi I don't know why hindi ko siya mahanap in my bag. Pero marami naman to eh. This video is only for you to know, for you to be aware about what to expect sa graphic subject ng architecture first year. So this next plate was yung roof plan or site development plan ng plate ginawa mo previously. A lot of people actually nag-long span roofing lang siya. Pero since ako, I'm like very extra and gusto ko different ako, gano'n, medyo pabibo, gano'n. I challenged myself to do the basta roof shingles ata tawag dito. And I feel like ako lang nag-roof shingles sa buong block ko kasi we extra like that. Ito yung naging itsura ng roof plan ko. As you can see, meron siyang mga curves, may mga dash, slay. And yeah. Pero dapat mas uniform yung mga curves na gagawin mo. Kasi ako, finreehand ko lang to. Kaya hindi siya uniform yung mga shingle na tinatawag nila. Yung site development plan kasi is like your view of the house from above. It's not necessarily your roof plan lang. Pero yung site development plan is yung buong site. Yung buong perimeter and what you see from below. I got a 98. 98 ako here. Pero in-erase yung grade kasi pag in-exhibit yung plate mo, bawal merong grade. So, in-erase siya. Ganyan. Pero I got 98 here. Tapos, for the next one naman is basically yung elevations ng plate, ay yung bahay na 3-bedroom bungalow na elevation. So, as you can see, ito siya. And I got a 98 din for this plate. I got a 98 din for this plate. I think namali ako kasi medyo pangit yung pagka-drawing ko ng roof shingle. Hindi dapat ganyan eh. Parang it's masyadong irregular yung paggawa ko ng mga lines, kimi-kimi. I feel like my prof liked how I made some finishes, ganyan, and tong roof gutter. Tapos nakompleto ko naman lahat ng mga symbols like the window symbol, ganyan yung window opening. As you can see here, di ba I mentioned na parang sobrang pangit nung paggawa ko ng title block. As you can see here, sobrang linis na ng paggawa ko ng title block. As you can see, as you know, wala nang blot. At saka parang almost perfect na yung paggawa ko ng mga letters, as you can see. And I'm really proud of this past plates kasi I really tried my best to make habol for like a good grade. Kasi like, as you can see naman yung mga first plates ko, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Tapos I really had to do better for this next plates kasi may cut off kami. If masyado mababa yung grade mo, pwede ka matanggal. So I really tried my best to give it my all and deliver a product that is competent and like worthy of a good grade. I was also kind of getting worried kung papasaba ko or like is my grades too low for the subject, ganun. So that's when I decided to do my best. So for this next one naman is, ito naman is yung sections para dun sa bungalow na ginawa natin. Is section through AA, section through BB. This is where you be more creative sa like interior expertise mo kasi dito na makikita yung mga furniture sa loob. I have a bathroom here. Tapos ito parang bedroom ata to. Tapos ito parang living room. Ito storage area. Tapos ito another bathroom. Tapos dito naman is like bedroom, bathroom, another bathroom. Tapos another bedroom. This where you apply yung mga extraness mo and make sure na lahat ng mga rooms mo is very nicely furnished para mas mataas yung grade mo. Tapos ito naman yung grade ko is 97. I don't know if you can see it pero nabura kasi yung grade. Pero I got a 97 here. If you wanna have an example lang of my plate, you can just pause the video lang. The last plate naman, yay, is ta-da! This was the last plate and this was plate 18 and I got a 95 lang here kasi I had a mistake dito sa gutter dito, tapos ito din sa gutter din here, tapos dito din I got a mistake dito sa valley ata. Tapos they also did not like how dark my trees were. Dapat daw kasi pag entourage dapat light lang kasi para main focus talaga yung bahay itself. And itong window din parang in-encircle siya kasi parang mali daw ata. Which I think is mali din. Kasi dapat pag ganyan yan eh. Pag ganyan. I feel like kasi na ganun ko siya. Pero mali yung ganun. Dapat pag ganyan siya. So, ayan. Nagkamali ako there. Kaya 95 lang yung nakuha ko for this plate. Pero it was still commended by my prof. Kasi I really chose to do yung challenging na roof shingles na nobody actually did. So, ayan. This is my final plate. Actually, I had a plate before na 79, 78 ata yung grade ko. Pero I can't see it na. I feel like sa sobrang kahihiyan ko, tinapon ko yung plate, I think. When I was in first year kasi we had this Jollies bag na tinatawag natin. And this is where we keep all our buff paper plate. Pero for some reason, di ko na talaga siya makita. Ay, ito pala oh. Wait, I feel like I saw it now. Wait. Oh, okay. Ang dami pa oh. LOL. Okay. Refill. May plates pa tayo. Ay, pero wala yung 78 complete. So, this was the exercise 6 naman. And as you can see, I got 97 here. Kasi dito pa rin yung connected pa rin siya dun sa 3-bedroom bungalow na past plates kong pinakita. So, this is an interior perspective of the bathroom. As you can see, may pa-tile pa ako dyan. May towel hooks pa ako dyan. Tapos may heater pa ako dyan. Tapos meron pa akong home na mat. Yes. Tapos I also had this mirror na it was kind of challenging kasi we were tasked to draw in yung reflection ng mirror. And I got a 97. I think deserve naman siya kasi hindi naman perfect yung mga furnitures ko. Like this toilet na sobrang boxy ng itsura niya. Wala naman talagang ganyang shape ng toilet, to be honest. Sobrang pointy masyado. Saka, as you can see here, may mga blots ako na inconsistency sa mga line value at saka pag-drawing ko. Kaya, 97 lang, which I'm really happy for na. Tapos, the next plate naman is my plate number 12. And this was, detail siya ng, ng floor plan, toilet, and bath. So, ito yung floor plan. Ito yung section B, section A, and section C. As you can see here, section symbol tayo, B, A, and C. So, yung section B, ito yung view pag ganyan. Yung section A, ito yung view pag ganyan. Yung section C naman, ito yung view pag ganyan. Kaya ganito yung mga itsura ng sections ko. So, this is the section B. May pa-tile-tile pa dyan na unique. Ito section A. Ito section D. Ay, parang weird. Yung section A ko, bilog yung mirror niya. Pero in my perspective, rectangle yung mirror ko. So, as you can see, medyo may pagka-inconsistency tayo. Pero, feel like di naman siya chine-check. Kaya, hindi ako nagka-minus on that part. So, for this plate, I got a 97. Tingnan mo yung yung window ko, may paano pa siya. May pa frost glass floral design pa siya. Play. Extra lang, ganun. This plate naman, the last one I'm gonna show you guys. Ito talaga. Last na talaga. This is plate number 13. As you can see, I got a 98. Ito yung itsura ng isometric view ng bathroom ko. So, as you can see, ganyan. I feel like ginawa ko siyang rectangle, yung plate ko. Kasi medyo mahirap gumawa ng perfect na perspective na oblong. Kaya, nag-rectangle na lang ako. Kaya, ayan. Ito yung tiles ko na ginawa. Ayan yung window ko na may pa-floral design. Tapos, to heater ko. Ay, nawala yung rug na home. Hindi ko nasama. Tapos, ayan, itong mirror ko na may reflection. Ganyan. And I got a 98. Which I feel like yung mga past plates kasi ako yung one of the highest. Kaya, nakabawi talaga ako dun sa plates na sobrang baba ko. So, I feel like that's something na I should be proud of. Ganyan. Pero for real, I got a 78 on one plate kasi sobrang lousy, sobrang pangit talaga nung ginawa ko that time. Pero hindi ko na siya makita kasi siguro sa sobrang kahihiyan tinapon ko na yung plate na yun. So yeah, ayun na. That's it for the video. I hope you watched till the end. This was just me basically showing you yung mga past plates ko ng Graphics 1 for you to have an idea what to expect sa graphics subject ng first year. That's just Graphics 1 pero there's still Graphics 2 sa second semester in which I have right there. And after this video, I'm gonna film na rin that plate para sunod-sunod na yung posting, alam mo yan. Make sure to subscribe kayo down below and on nyo na yung notification bell para alam nyo when I post the new vlog, the new plates reveal. I know kasi na in all architecture YouTubers, this is the main thing talaga na inaabangan ng lahat, yung plates reveal ng estudyante. So, I have it all here. I'll show you guys kung gaano kadaming plates. Ayan, ito yung mga plates na pinakita ko. I have manual visual technique plates dito. I have watercolor plates here. I have my graphic plate number 2 here. I have more graphics plates dyan, mga architectural design plates. I have mga HOA plates. I'm gonna show you guys everything talaga na I have. And I hope you guys will be here to support my videos and watch all the videos, watch it till the end, support the channel more. So, ayun lang naman. I hope na abangan niyo yung mga susunod kong videos, mga susunod kong plates reveal. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next one. Bye!